Welcome to this new lesson where we're gonna install our WordPress on our website. Okay, when we enter our Bluehost account, we're gonna see that screen. Okay, this is called the cPanel. It's full of icons. Those icons are meant to help you. Don't worry about them. We will get to know most of them by the course. But now we're gonna install our WordPress as we purchased our domain name and got our hosting plan with Bluehost or any other hosting program you would like to enroll with. And now we're gonna install the WordPress to start controlling our website. From website tab, you're gonna press on install WordPress and press on get started. Through the WordPress, you can install themes and get control on that website and design it the way you would like. Okay, so select a domain for installation. We're gonna pick our domain, the domain you choose for your website. Make sure you install it on the main domain, not a subdomain. So we're gonna leave that directory blank and press on next. Then we're gonna give our website a name or title from here. You can change that later if you would like to, so don't worry if you want to change the site name later. And we have the admin username and admin email address already filled for us with the associated email we entered at the beginning. Then we're gonna change our admin password because it looks quite complicated, digits and numbers, and go ahead and check those boxes. Then go ahead and press the install button. Okay, now we have overall website progress 50% and WordPress is being installed. And while it's being installed, they will show you some themes, premium ones, as an offer. If you would like to buy any of them, you can go ahead and choose that, but we're gonna use free theme that's almost like a premium one. And later, if you wanna change your theme, you can do that either for a free or premium theme according to your desire or your website main purpose. So installation complete now. Continue browsing the marketplace from here and you're gonna close that one. The next step is to get our WordPress theme, and we have the installation details. This is the most important part of that page, of that screen. You have installed to that link and you have to memorize that link and save it to your browser or any notes you have, and you have your username and password. Okay, that link usually consists of your domain name /wp-admin. Now you're gonna type your email address and your password, and this is gonna be your screen to enter your website and control it. That's how it looks inside from the WordPress control banner or dashboard. Congratulations guys, you got your WordPress installed, and from that dashboard you can control your entire website and do whatever you would like. No coding, no HTML, no CSS, and it's so easy. You can view your website from here. That's it for our lesson. As that was Khalil Ibrahim with you. Hope you enjoyed that one, and see you next lesson where we're gonna start installing our theme. Bye.